Hello, welcome to another dynamic do-it-yourself video. And today for Tasty Finds with
K.E. Dude.
K.E. Dude. As you might notice, this is not Tank Man, and that's because what we're sampling has pumpkin spice pretzel slims. Okay, and Tank Man does not like pumpkin.
Yeah, he was acting mighty sus.
But don't worry, Tank will be back. So we have the wonderful presence of K.E. Dude.
Yeah, thank you.
And I'll put a link to his channel down below in the description box so you can see what K.E. Dude. K.E. Dude has been on. He has been on YouTube longer than I have.
Yes, yeah, I have like, let's say 100. No, actually, I think it's like 106 people who are actual subs. She has like 600, gets 10,000 views. I don't even know. I am like just sitting here like, bruh, what am I doing wrong?
But you know, it's all good and it's all love here on YouTube. So, you know, as long as your name is not Jeffree Star.
Holy crap!
Don't say that. All right.
Did we get the G?
Okay.
Oh, gosh, no.
We are going to try the pumpkin spice pretzel slims. Yeah. And for full disclosure, I am not a big fan of pumpkin spice, but I have an open mind, so I'm going to give this a try.
Mm-hmm.
All right?
As you hit it with a big fat one.
I won't. I will promise to keep my mind open on this. Let's see, nutrition facts. There are 5 servings in this, and a serving consists of 5 pretzels, okay? 150 calories.
Dang.
So there's all kind of things in it, and here they're giving you a picture of what it looks like. I have a feeling that this is going to be one of those savory, sweet treats. So,
Sweet.
yeah, savory sweet. So let's see what's in this. Let's see what's in here. All right, there you go. Take one.
Oh dang! Look at this.
Can you show the audience what it looks like?
Yeah, it's actually pretzel. I'm kind of surprised. Like you see, it has the 2 holes and everything, and actually has like a little, yeah.
Just by sight, I could tell that this is a pretzel dipped in yogurt, and it has a sprinkle of all kind of stuff on it. Just on sight,
You sure you didn't read the back?
I don't know. It just.
I mean, then again,
all right.
It is, yeah.
I'm going to have high hopes. You ready to try this?
Down the hatch.
Down the hatch. Okay. Let's go.
Okay.
I taste a little salt in there. They need that salt to boost up the sweet. It's like a little sprinkle of salt. I taste, I guess this might be pumpkin seeds, but it has like a pepita taste, you know, the little pumpkin seed type of seeds on there.
Yeah, I get what you're saying.
And of course there's the yogurt.
Right.
All right, so anyway, on a scale of 1 to 4, 1 meaning giving this a hard pass, you mean I will see this, you know, if I give it a 1, it means I'm giving it a hard pass. I'm sorry, I'm trying to explain something I explained 100 times.
Wait.
And the 4 means I will get it again for my personal consumption. I'm gonna let you start. What do you give it?
Here we go again. I see what they did there. It is actually pretty okay. I mean, then again, my fingers are all gooey now, which is always a downside to these yogurt covered things, because every single time I'm sitting like, really? So,
Messy.
Besides that, I will give it a 3, because I enjoy how it tastes and stuff. Granted, if it was like, I guess harder, because the pretzel was pretty soft, be a 2. But besides that, it's good consistency and stuff. It's not too whack. Yeah.
All right, that's good. Good evaluation.
Let me guess, pumpkin 1? No, -1.
-1. No, actually, I won't give this a 1. And I will say this, if it was a 1, that means if I saw this on the shelf, I would just glance at it.
Let me guess, 1.5.
No, I'll give it a 2.
Oh, wow. Being leaning on the pumpkin. Oh, that's a new one.
I know.
Although this is my second video.
Take a picture. It'll last longer. I'm giving this a 2, and in a 2, it's not like I would give it a hard pass, but it would be something like if I was going to some event and there's going to be, let's drop. Well, we're not going anywhere. It's COVID and quarantine, and of course we're the USA. Yeah, winter. I wouldn't exactly be going anywhere, but I could see this as a nice social snack, and that's where I land on this. Yeah, your fingers are such a mess.
Holy crap!
Show them your fingers.
Yeah, it's
No, but that is something. So, and like I said, I could taste a little hint of salt. If there wasn't any salt on this, it would be pretty much disgusting for me. And I think the salt sort of balanced out the sweetness. Yeah, I'm not a fan of gooey stuff that gets all over your hands. So that's why I popped the whole thing in my mouth. But anyway, so that's it. I gave it a 2 and he gave it a 3. So I think we're kind of a little bit in cahoots.
yeah. Come on, let's load the cahoot.
So, as you can see, that was our review. So, like I said, I'll put K-Dude's channel in the description. You can see what he's been doing. And if you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment, drop it down below. Are you a pumpkin spice person, or are you someone who, like me, and think, I love fall, but they could keep that pumpkin?
Or are you Tank, who left the show just because it was pumpkin? So, that is your choice.
Poor Tank. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. So, until next time.
Poor Tank, he's out of a job now. What's he gonna do?
Look, this pumpkin thing is only gonna last a short time.
You sure about that?
Enjoy your moment.
You sure about that? 'Cause in all honesty, I'm thinking we just bring this as a full-time thing for the channel. The channel's now bust pumpkin spice stuff. We stock up a bunch. One video, actually no, maybe 2 videos per month, all the way till we get back to October, so we get more pumpkin stuff. November
All right.
also.
Bye, people.
Bye.